today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make thousands of dollars on Pinterest just selling easy courses made with AI. Now here are some results I've actually gotten from selling, and yes, these numbers look nice, huh? It only took me around 20 minutes to set up this whole account, and every single listing only takes me around 5 minutes to set up. So I'm just going to show you guys the method to making thousands of dollars on Pinterest. Why is it so easy to sell on Pinterest? There's almost 250 million active users every single month, and 70% of them are actually females. This basically means that it's super simple for us to be able to sell courses on Pinterest, and all I have to use is ChatGPT. So as you guys can see, we have Pinterest opened up, and first you want to make your account real quick. I've already made my account. It's girlboss808, but you can just create a personal account. All you have to do is create your email, password, birthday, or you can also continue with any Google option. Now for this, I'm just going to be creating a personal account, but you could also create a business account if you feel like it'd fit you better. Now obviously you're going to be selling stuff, so you want to make it look professional. Now the second thing is you're going to be wanting to choose your niche that you're going to be selling these courses in. Just for this example, I'm going to be doing health because I feel like many girls love to read about health and improve themselves. Now you can easily sell posters, but for this video I'm just going to be selling courses on Pinterest. So just for this example, I'm going to go onto ChatGPT, and you're also going to want to open up this website called Gumroad. Basically this is where we're going to be selling our course for everyone to see. Now as you guys can see, I already have a Gumroad account, and it actually has one sale already. This is literally a course I've created just a couple of minutes ago, and it's already gotten a sale. So after you create your Gumroad account and connect all your banking and stuff, you're just going to want to press new product. Now obviously it is a course right here, so you can just press that, or you can also do any of these other options that you think that will fit you better. Now you could also sell physical goods and digital goods on here, which makes it super simple if you want to sell posters from Pinterest. And you could do this with print on demand, but that's for a different video. So best gym routine. If you search that up on Pinterest, then it shows a lot of gym routines for girls, but there's obviously videos like this on Pinterest that have hundreds of likes, and you could easily sell workouts for girls. Now how you're going to advertise this is that you're going to just find videos on TikTok and just basically use a TikTok video converter and repost these videos of girls with big butts or whatever it compares into your niche, like gardening. And from this you're going to go on to ChatGPT. Now this is actually where it gets super interesting, and you guys are just going to be amazed at how it's so simple to do this. With ChatGPT, I'm just going to search up make me a workout routine to get a big butt. Let's be real, the main thing girls want is a big butt, so that's the only reason I'm doing this. And basically ChatGPT is currently making me a bunch of workouts that are good for getting a strong and big butt. With this, you can just copy and paste ChatGPT, and it is 100% legal to use this and sell it on your own. So I'm just gonna copy this, warm up, and I'm gonna come here, and we're gonna wanna price it super cheap so that it's almost instant for a girl to buy the course. I'm gonna price it at around $5, and this basically will make the girl think that it is a good course for a good price as well. Workout routine. Now with this stuff right here, it doesn't really matter. You don't need a custom URL. I mean, obviously you can have a custom domain if you really want to, but that does cost extra, I'm pretty sure. And after all of that, then you're gonna wanna go over here and follow the cover. Now for the cover, you could just search it up on Google and use any of these covers and put your own text on it. And basically they'll see this cover from here. Now this preview really helps. Alright guys, so real quick, I just wanna show you how to make a good cover photo for your project. And this will just be really quick. Now first off, for the width and this, you're just gonna wanna make it way smaller. So 720, and then divide that by 2. So it'll be around like 310, and basically this will create this square. Now from here you're gonna have to have your theme, and then you're also gonna want to choose the words that you want to put in here. So we can do someone working out, so girl. Now make sure that you're using a stock photo. If not, then it's fine, it shouldn't get taken down, but it is technically illegal to use some random photo of a girl working out. Alright, so we got this photo of this girl working out. Now the quality isn't the best. Make sure when you guys choose a photo, the quality is better. Now you guys can download the bold font if you want. If not, then you can just use the Tahoma font, and then up here just press bold. Now we're going to increase the font size, and we're going to put, and basically with this we can just make it smaller. We can go over here, right click, blending options, put the autopsy lower like that, and then go to background over here, press this brush, make the size massive, and just color it. And like that, we basically have a 50 times better cover than before. And this should convert more sales, and also you won't need a title anymore, because this actually shows what the title is gonna say. And you can just look at the preview to see if you like how it looks. Next thing is call to action. I want this, you could just put buy this or pay. So I just put, I want this. And then everything else is fine. You don't really need to worry about the rest. It's kind of just random stuff that doesn't really matter. Right here, this doesn't matter. Versions doesn't matter. Pricing, obviously we already priced it. And the rest is just the thumbnail and the title and the description. As you can see, the description shows up right there, but I mean, most people already know what they're gonna be going into when they press this product. Now, second thing you wanna do is press content and just copy it. So I like that we have the whole entire course ready right here. Now, obviously you can do some modifications up here and even add images and videos, but once they purchase it, they can't refund it. So that's actually a pretty good benefit. And now the second thing you're gonna wanna do is press publish and continue. Now, luckily with Gumroad, it's actually free to use, so you could just copy this URL that you just got. And now you're gonna go over to TikTok and actually find videos of girls with big butts working out. So we can use a video like this where the girl is showing a workout to get a bigger butt, and then you're just gonna go over to here and search up TikTok video converter. Now you're gonna go to SnapTik, which I usually use. Enter it, download the video, download it onto your account. Boom, we have the video downloaded. Now you're gonna go over to Pinterest and actually create the post. All right, guys, so one more thing I wanna show you is that you can actually use ChatGPT to make your own descriptions and also tags for Pinterest posts. Now what this will do is actually increase the engagement on your post, because more tags means that more keywords are gonna show up for people when they're searching for your post. And ChatGPT will literally give me 20 keywords around girl fitness right here. And basically I can just add this into that tag section for Pinterest, and I should get more views just doing that. Now, a second thing is that I can also say, write me a description. And like that, it'll give me another description of me working on my butt, and it'll also give me some hashtags. So as you guys already saw, we have the video right here. Now in the description, you're gonna press the link for my full workout. And basically in the link, you'll be putting the Gumroad link that you got for your course. So we're just gonna add the link there. Now we're gonna publish it. Now also make sure that you put tag topics. I forgot to do that just now. So as you guys can see, the post finally posted on my new Pinterest account. And you can also see the link right here. Once we open it, it actually goes to the big butt workout thing. Now obviously I would use a different image. Now they're gonna press I want this and then enter all their information so that they can buy for only $5. Now if you post one of these pins every single day and you keep on advertising this quote unquote workout routine for this girl, well then you'll start to get sales. And obviously you can actually promote multiple things on your account, but you want to focus on a certain niche because people will be following you for this niche that you normally post. So now that I'm in the health routine, I can easily post workout routines. I can post eating routines to slowly start making passive income. And obviously all of these pins will keep on getting you views and money. So every time you post, it's more like an investment. And I hope this video actually showed you guys how to make money and you guys start to make some money on Pinterest.